Hello my fellow linguists, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Priyanka and you are watching Language Fluent. We at Language Fluent provide language courses for different levels. We also provide a job-oriented course for a duration of 2 years. For more information, please call on the numbers given below or download our app from the link given in the description box. So let's start. In today's lesson, we will learn the personal pronoun. Heute lernen wir die Personalpronomen, the personal pronouns. So, was sind Pronomen? What are pronouns? Pronouns are basically used to replace nouns in a sentence. Like in English, we use he, she, it, etc. So, let's see in German. Ich. Ich. First word is ich. It means I. Then du. So du means you. It is used in an informal setting. Du. Then er. Er is used for he. Then sie. Sie is used for she. Then es. Es is used for it. Then next, wir. Wir is used for we. Then ihr. So ihr is used for you all when we are addressing more than one person. So you all. Then sie. It means they. And sie with a capital S means you in a formal setting. So once again, noch einmal. Ich means I. Then du means you in an informal way. Er means he. Then sie means she. Es means it. Wir means we. Ihr means you all. Sie means they. And sie with capital S means you in a formal way. So these pronouns can be classified in first person pronouns, second person pronouns and third person pronouns. So first person pronouns are when you are talking about yourself. So here it will be ich and wir. We are addressing ourselves. Ich means I and wir means we. Then next we have second person pronouns when you are talking to someone. So it will be du means you in an informal way and sie means you in a formal way. So and second person pronoun ihr will also be second person pronoun. When we are addressing more people, so use ihr means you all. Then third person pronouns are when we are talking about somebody. So third person pronouns would be er, sie, es und sie means he, she, it and they. Further we can classify them as singular or plural. So singular would be ich when you're talking about only yourself. Then du when you're talking about one person in a second person form. And sie. Also er, sie, es are singular. Then plural will be wir, ihr and sie. Means we, you all and they. So why are personal pronouns so important in German? Because our verb conjugation depends on these personal pronouns. Let's see. So if we take one example, kommen. So kommen means to come. To come. It is a verb and it means to come. So our conjugation will depend on the personal pronouns. So with ich, it will be ich, comma. ending is E. Then du, kommst, ending is st. With z, it will be kommt. With wir, it will be common, en. Here it is only t. Then with ear again it will be kommt. Then with z it is common, and z again it will be common. So ich komme, du kommst, sie es kommt, wir kommen, ihr kommt, sie kommen und sie kommen. So we'll have to memorize these endings. Now for example, if you look at the sentence, woher kommst du? And woher kommen sie? So both of these mean where do you come from? Means we are talking about the origin, like country. So now you can see we are using kommst with du and kommen with sie. They both means where are you coming from? Like which country do you belong? But our ending will change according to our personal pronoun. So I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. That's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Language Fluent also provides translation and interpretation services. Please like, comment and share. Danke. Tschüss.